This is Best from Best Review Warriors. Hello and welcome to my affiliate profit formula review. In this video, I'll be walking you through this new product called affiliate profit formula. Before I do this, let me share with you some of the bonuses I'll be offering you if you pick this product through my page. The bonuses I'll be offering you are how to create a WordPress website, the secret weapon, urgency suite pro, social media boom, how to market on social media and gain followers, traffic machine, 25 proven traffic methods, 2,500 high converting email swipes, and several other bonuses that are here, including the vendor bonuses. Why am I offering you these bonuses? These bonuses that I'm offering you will help you 10x the methods which the product creator is teaching you in this program. Now, what is affiliate profit formula? Affiliate profit formula is a series of step-by-step training videos that show you exactly what you need to do and how to do them to start making money online. It is a series of training videos that are broken down into three parts: the review project, the follow-up formula, the content creation formula. In these training videos, Gardiner takes you through exactly what you need to do to begin to make up to $10,000 monthly. Although this is not going to be immediate, or you need to do some work before you can begin to earn as much as that every month. He also shows you free tools that will enable you start even when you are on zero budget. So now let me take you into the members area of this affiliate profit formula. So when you get the affiliate profit formula, this is what the members area will look like. Like I told you, it is broken down into three parts: the review project, the follow-up formula, and the content creation formula. Essentially, what this series of training program does for you is it takes you through actionable steps on how to start your internet business, how to start your online business, even if you're a complete newbie and with no budget. It takes you through the various steps you need to get started, the tools, both free and paid tools, that you need to start making money online. Like I said, the training is divided into three parts: the review profit project, the follow-up formula, and the content creation formula. Now, this is the review profit project, and inside of this, these are the trainings that you will see. Here you have the welcome, where it takes you through exactly what you expect to see in the entire course. And here he shows you the 4 steps you need in the review profit project. It also takes you through how to find products that are ready for launch, how to create content related to those products, and how to create an ethical bribe, and how to drive traffic to your offers. Here it takes you through several places where you can find the necessary information and tools to begin your affiliate marketing journey. And this takes you through how to create the various accounts needed. And then it also takes you through some tools that will help you in the affiliate marketing journey. And it shows you also how to create websites for free and how to promote your various offers. Now, the second part of the training is the follow-up formula. Here also, Jamie takes you through the various tools that you will need to deepen your activities that will see you earn even more profits. Takes you through the various steps and all. Then the third part of the training is the content creation formula. Here also he takes you through a whole lot of other actionable steps that you can take to increase your profits online. I've gone through all the training videos and I can tell you the information that Jamie gives out here far outweighs the price of this product, which I will discuss shortly if you stay on with me. But one thing I can tell you is that the content in this training is by far more than what you'll be paying to get it. Also, there is a secret that I will also reveal if you stay with me to the end. Now, if you think this affiliate profit formula is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and it will take you to my bonus page that will look exactly like this. Now, this is what my bonus page of affiliate profit formula will look like. Here, Jamie says how to finally crack the affiliate code leveraging 3 powerful methods that make over $260 plus per day. Those are the 3 methods that I mentioned earlier in this video. Now here, you see the review video, this review video that I'm currently making. And these are the bonuses which I earlier mentioned that I will give those who pick affiliate profit formula from my bonus page. Now once you get to my bonus page and you click on this link, once you get to my bonus page and you click on this button, it will take you to the sales page that will look exactly like this. Now this is what the sales page of the affiliate profit formula will look like. Here, Jamie tells you how he makes $260 per day using 3 timeless strategies, which I have already mentioned, then that you can be set up and operated from anywhere, which is true. It is 100% newbie friendly, which is also true. Then he offers you a 100% money back guarantee. If for any reason you pick this product and you do not like it, you can return it and you'll be refunded 100% without questions asked. But I can tell you, the value you will get from this training is pure gold, especially at the price. And if you have time, you can look through the sales page and see what information you can get from it. And once you are on the sales page, once the product goes live, this button here will be available for you to click and pick up the affiliate profit formula. Now these are some of the earnings from this training. I can tell you this training is comprehensive as it takes you through from beginner's level to what the super affiliates do to make super affiliate commissions. Now let me take you through the sales funnel. The affiliate profit formula front end comes at an early bird price of $11.95, and this price is sure to go up as the launch progresses. At the end of the launch, the price will be going up to $47. So I will encourage you, if you are interested in this product, to pick it up at the early bird price, which is the lowest price possible that you can buy this. In the front end, you get all the training videos, over 30 of them, as that I have showed you previously, plus information on free tools that you can use. In addition, now this is the secret information that Jamie has embedded somewhere. You get access to his entire bonus folder if you buy this product and then follow specific instructions in the training video. And if you buy this product and follow specific instructions in the members area. Now that instruction is, once you buy this product, you will have to join his exclusive members group, and then you will have to make some comments. All that you will find in the members area. So I tell you, getting his entire bonus pay folder is something you should not miss, because the price of that bonus folder is far more than the price of this course. Now we have the OTO 1, which is the affiliate profit formula army, and it is going for $47. In this OTO 1, you will learn where to find an army of workers helping each step of the way. That is, you can use the front end with this OTO 1 to get a lot of people who can help you with your daily tasks, and you find these workers for a cent. Simply put, with the OTO 1, you will learn where to find cheap source of labor to help you with completing tasks that will help you see your profits go higher, and it goes for $47. And the OTO 2, which is the affiliate profit formula coaching offer, going for $197 with a down sale of $97. Here, Jamie, the product creator, will teach you all the core secrets through Q&A sessions live training, and more, how to 10x your profits from the front using the front end. Here he will reveal to you some other tricks and methods not covered in this training. If you ask me, if you're a complete newbie and you want to shorten the learning curve, I will suggest you take this affiliate profit formula coaching offer, as it will help you speed up the process of learning how to make money and scale up everything online. Now, if you feel this product is for you, simply click on the link in the description below and head over to our bonus page that will look like this, and then click on this button which will take you to the sales page where you will buy this affiliate profit formula and get all these are over 25 exclusive bonuses. If you have found this review video useful, simply subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell notification, and like this video so that when next we upload review videos as this, your attention will be drawn to them. Thank you for watching our affiliate profit formula review video to the end. See you in the next.